Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we have completed half yearly course and now from today we will discuss about all chapter that will be revision work for us. So you all are requested to revise each and every lesson carefully and sincerely. So keep in mind the revision, and this revision will be helpful for your exam. So keep in mind and do the proper revision with sincerity. Let's start today's revision. You can see here revision work, that is chapter 1, globes. Spot check, that is given on page number 8 in your lesson. You can check it and you can see it. In spot check, write yes or no is given. We can see the earth at one go. मतलब we are able to see the earth at one go. एक बार में हम पूरी अर्थ को देख सकते हैं. What will be the answer? No, we cannot see the earth at one go. So answer will be no. The earth rotates on its axis. Yes student, it is true. Earth rotates on its axis. Many times I had told you. So here will be yes. The South Pole is the northernmost point of the Earth's axis. The South Pole is the northernmost point of the Earth's axis. Is it true? Yes, it is not true. What will be the correct thing? The South Pole is the southernmost point. Here should be southernmost, not northernmost. Southernmost point on the Earth's axis. The equator divides the Earth into two halves. The equator divides the Earth into two halves. It is true. Yes. Next is word bank. In word bank, we will discuss about few words that is given in your notebook, in your book. First word is globe. What is globe? A spherical model of the earth. A spherical model of the earth means earth. A spherical model of earth is called globe. Next one is axis. What is an axis? An imaginary line passing through the center of the earth on which the planet rotates. मतलब जिस पे planet rotate करता है वो imaginary line, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, जो कि center से होके जाती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं axis. Next is hemisphere. Yes student, what is hemisphere? One half of the earth is called hemisphere. As we know, equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The upper half is called northern hemisphere. If we talk about only hemisphere, two halves are there, that is made by equator. Each half separately will be called spheres. So it is hemisphere. One half of the earth is called hemisphere. Latitude. What is latitude? The line running parallel to the equator. The line running parallel to the, just suppose it is equator and the line running parallel to the equator, these are called latitude. It is called latitude. Next is grid. What is grid? A pattern of line that form a series of square. A pattern of line that makes series of square. You can see here many squares are here. Many squares are here. So these squares are called grid. With the help of grid, we can locate any place on the earth, we can find out any place on the earth. A pattern of line that forms a series of squares. Next is longitude. Longitude means beta the line which is the imaginary line running through the North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole and the South Pole vertical line is called longitude. It's all about the World Bank, and now we will see the exercise A. Exercise A is given in the book, that is match the following. First is, dear student, first of all I want to tell you that arrow, when you mark, when you are going to match these columns, you use arrow. So keep in mind, arrow is not allowed in your book or notebook or anywhere. You can write side by side right answer, and you can use the codes as I am going to use. So first one is replica of earth. Replica of earth is called globe. So answer will be E. Answer will be E. The replica of the earth means outer circle of the earth is called globe. Next is grid. Grid helps to find location. Grid helps to find the location. As I told you, when we want to find out any place on the earth, we can do this work with the help of grid. So answer will be A. Next is latitude. What is latitude? So latitude, imaginary lines parallel to the equator. Imaginary line parallel to the equator is called latitude. Answer will be B. Next is longitude. Longitude, imaginary line from the north pole to the south pole, that is called longitude. Next is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south is called Tropic of Capricorn. So answer will be C. And last one is North Pole. North Pole. North Pole, that is 90 degree north. 90 degree north is called North Pole. So answer will be D. So replica of the earth is globe. Grid helps to find the location. Latitude, imaginary lines parallel to the equator. Longitude, imaginary line from the north pole to the south pole. Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree south line is called Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree north line. And North Pole, 90 degree north point is called the North Pole. So it's all about our today's class. Dear student, keep in mind all the things and do the revision properly and be serious about your study, because your half yearly examination is coming soon. So do revision properly according to the class, and the homework that is given to you, try to do do to complete in time and learn all the things. As class is going on, you have to do the work according to the class, and enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.